Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain about Scrum of Scrum meetings that is followed in the Agile teams. The agenda items covered in this videos are: what is Scrum of Scrums, what is the purpose of Scrum of Scrums, or why do we need Scrum of Scrums, frequency and duration of doing Scrum of Scrums, benefits of Scrum of Scrums, agenda followed in Scrum of Scrum meeting, and few best practices that can be followed in Scrum of Scrum meetings. Now let's understand what is Scrum of Scrums. A Scrum of Scrum is a sync-up meeting for multiple Scrum teams. This event will be done in the large programs where multiple teams will be part of a single program. One person from each Scrum team will be part of this meeting. Representatives from each team will discuss about the team's work progress, inter-team dependencies, and risk in the event. The team representatives will be called as ambassador. Scrum Master or any team member can represent this event from their team. Scrum of Scrum event will be useful to deliver working software by the multiple teams. So this is the quick overview about what is Scrum of Scrum. Hope you understand this. Now let's understand what is the purpose behind Scrum of Scrum meetings. The main purpose of having Scrum of Scrums meeting is to support the multiple Scrum teams to deliver the integrated product. Another reason for having Scrum of Scrum is to coordinate multiple Scrum teams who are working in a big program. Scrum of Scrum will be conducted to manage the program level deliverables with multiple teams. Another reason for having Scrum of Scrum meeting is to manage the inter-team dependencies and risk regularly throughout the sprint duration. Now let's understand the frequency and the duration of doing Scrum of Scrum meetings. The frequency of Scrum meetings will be decided by the Scrum teams. Some team will conduct this event once in a week. Some teams will conduct this event 2 days in a week. Teams can call for this meeting on need basis as well. This meeting should be followed the time boxing. 15 to 30 minutes duration is the recommended timeline for this meeting. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos in future. Now let's understand the benefits of doing Scrum of Scrums. Scrum of Scrums will enable the teams to complete their user story as per the sprint commitment by addressing the inter-team issues very quickly. Scrum of Scrum meetings will help the Scrum team to coordinate well for the product demo. Scrum of Scrums meeting will help the team to make decisions quickly to remove the impediments. This meeting will also enable better collaboration between multiple Scrum teams. Each team will get an opportunity to know about the overall program progress and how other teams are progressing towards the sprint goal. So this team will create the opportunity to understand other teams' work. So the representative from each team will get this update and share with their teams. Now let's understand the agenda items followed in the Scrum of Scrum meetings. In the daily Scrum meeting, team members will provide update about what they did yesterday, what will they do today, and is there any impediment impacting their work. In the Scrum of Scrum meetings, representatives from each Scrum team will talk about what was accomplished by their Scrum team since the last meeting and what tasks are planned to accomplish for the team before the next meeting, what output from their team will impact other teams' work, have they experienced any obstacles or impediments from other teams. So this meeting agenda will be covered for the overall team's dependencies, updates and the planned work. Representative from each team will share their updates for these topics. Dependency board and risk register will be updated based on their status update. Action items will be taken to address the issues offline, that is after the meeting. Hope this is clear. Now let's see few best practices that can be followed to conduct the Scrum of Scrum meetings. Now let's understand some best practices to conduct an effective Scrum of Scrum meeting. The first best practice is make sure that Scrum teams are sending a right person to the Scrum of Scrum meeting to provide the update from the team and get input from the meeting to their teams. The second best practice is plan the meeting duration well in advance and follow the time box. The third best practice is keep the problem solving discussion outside the Scrum of Scrum meeting. If anyone is raising an issue or any problems, that can be discussed after the Scrum of Scrum meetings. The fourth best practice is remind the representatives to share the meeting outcome with their Scrum teams. The fifth best practice is visualize the dependencies and risk status so that all the Scrum teams will have access to the latest status. Hope this short overview about Scrum of Scrum meeting is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments or questions below. I will respond to your comments with more details. Thank you.